To mull something over is to think carefully before making a decision. Often if we have to take an important decision, then we say, just let me mull it over for a couple of days. In other words, you're going to let it sit in your brain and see what kind of decision seems like the best decision. You're not going to take a decision in a hurry. You're going to take your time. This afternoon I'm standing in Trafalgar Square and a lot of people are mulling over what they should do next today. Many tourists who have perhaps seen one gallery already and now they're thinking, will I go and see another one? Or should we just go back to the hotel? These are the types of things they mull over as they sit here and listen to the buskers and watch the fountains. I don't really have anything to mull over at the moment. Not at this moment precisely, although in life we're always mulling over the important questions of our existence. So anyway, whatever you have to mull over today, I hope that you take your time and you find the correct answer to your question.